Hi, this is Shweta Basu Prasad, and I'm very comfortably sitting in this wonderful restaurant of Joel of Nizam in Golconda Hotel in Hyderabad. And well, this is a very brief stay, which I came here for an event, but I wish I could prolong this stay. And as I promised, I would come here again with my family. And about the place and the food, I'm a big foodie, and I think. The lunch that I had today completely satisfied my taste buds, and I'd like to keep coming back here. To me, I follow movies religiously. I come from a family where uh, movie is cinema, if I may say so, is worshipped. And we have never been restricted as kids to oh my god, don't watch movies, hindi cinema mat dekho, hindi gaane mat gao. On the contrary, I when I was just 6 7 year old, I was introduced to classic, if I may say so, movies, Hindi films that time. I mean, I've watched Mera Naam Joker and Rishikesh Mukherjee films and Bimal Roy movies and Dawn, Satte Pe Satta, Sita Aur Geeta, all these movies when I was just about 10. So I've always had, I've been, and because of that, that whole movie buff thing has developed into me, thanks to my mom, because we discuss, we watch cinema a lot, and my father and had a theatre background. He used to do theatre in Jamshedpur. And my mom later, after marriage, she joined him too. But I have never been part of any theatre group or any acting school, academy, anything such. It has just come to me, if I may say so, accidentally, because I accidentally auditioned for something. After that, I got on to Makdi. So for me, films, I like watching every movie. I don't go about what critics would give a star, how many stars would the critics give to a film, or whether the movie has a good star cast or not. If I watch the promo, if I have a feeling I want to watch the film, then I go ahead with it. Kotta Bangaru Lokam's director Shrikant Adala had seen my Hindi film Iqbal in 2005, and as he told me, he was assisting for Bombrilu that time. He was an assistant director that time, and when he was ready with his project KBL, he got in touch with me. So my mom and I, we flew down to Hyderabad. We had, he narrated the film, and I remember at the end of the narration, my mom and I, we were both in tears because we loved this story, and I was more than happy to be part of it. Because honestly, I mean, living in Bombay and being half Bengali and half North Indian, I'm not introduced to other languages. I have seen dubbed Tamil or Telugu films, but then I didn't know if I would be able to pull it off, because it's such a challenging role and it's such a brilliant story that I was not sure if I'm the right choice. I thought maybe a Telugu girl would do justice to it, but I'm just happy that it all worked out, and forget coping up with the characters. I'm happy that I delivered my dialogue so well in Kotta Bangaru Lokam that, certain dialogues became a sensation. So I'm really happy that Andhra and people here have accepted me and have embraced me, in their warm arms. Ekkada? Epudu? Sure. Actually, after KBL, I was I got a little busy with my high school and my exams, so my parents had restricted me from signing any films. So 2010 and a bit of 2010 was a little restricted. And after that, I got Tamil film offers. That's why 2010 and 11, I was completely involved with doing 2 Tamil films back to back. And now I have signed 2 Telugu films. One is a thriller, which is multi-starrer with 5 heroines, and the other one is with VMC Daraswamy sir. And I'm looking forward to both of them. And I've completed my 3rd Tamil film, so I'm looking forward to that as well. Oh, stardom! Well, it's very overwhelming because when you work hard on something, and when that is appreciated, I think more than the stardom or that whole starry thing. I think it's just very very gratifying, very very overwhelming, because to accept a girl who's not Telugu and who's playing a complete Teluguite in the movie, you know, the accent and the way it's dressed up, it's very very touchy. And I'm a very sentimental person, so I really feel that when somebody genuinely comes and meets me and appreciates me for my work, I get very emotional. All right.